Starting a faceless YouTube automation channel involves creating and managing content without showing your face or revealing personal identity. This can be a great approach if you prefer privacy or simply want to focus on content creation. Are you ready to revolutionize your YouTube game without ever showing your face? In today's video, we're diving into the best strategies and automation tools that will supercharge your faceless YouTube channel. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, you'll learn how to boost your views, streamline your content creation, and grow your audience like never before. Don't miss out on these game-changing insights. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're always up to date with the latest in faceless YouTube content. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to YouTube success together. Here's a detailed, step-by-step guide to get you started. Number 1. Define your niche and content strategy. Step 1. Identify your niche. Research popular topics and identify a niche that interests you and has audience demand. Consider niches like tech reviews, educational content, relaxation and meditation, or compilation videos. Step 2. Plan your content strategy. Create a content calendar with video ideas, publishing schedules, and goals. Decide on the type of faceless content you want to produce: animations, voiceovers, text-based videos, or screen recordings. Number 2. Set up your YouTube channel. Step 1. Create a YouTube account. Sign into YouTube using your Google account or create a new one. Click on your profile icon and select your channel to start creating your channel. Step 2. Create and customize your channel. Choose a channel name that reflects your niche. Upload a channel logo and banner that match your content theme. Write a clear and engaging channel description. Number 3. Create faceless content. Step 1. Gather tools and resources. Voiceover. Use a good quality microphone for recording voiceovers, for example, Blue Yeti, Audio Technica AT2020. Video editing software. Choose software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or free options like DaVinci Resolve or Shotcut. Stock footage and music. Use platforms like Pexels, Pixabay, and Epidemic Sound for royalty-free stock videos and music. Step 2. Produce content. Script writing. Write scripts for your videos if you're using voiceovers. Record voiceovers. Use your microphone and recording software to create high-quality audio. Create visuals. Design animations or compile stock footage, screen recordings, or text overlays using video editing software. Step 3. Edit videos. Combine visuals with your voiceover or text. Add background music, sound effects, and transitions. Ensure your video is engaging and well-paced. Number 4. Optimize video SEO. Step 1. Keyword research. Use tools like TubeBuddy or Vidic to find relevant keywords for your niche. Incorporate these keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Step 2. Create SEO-friendly thumbnails. Design eye-catching thumbnails using tools like Canva or Adobe Spark. Ensure your thumbnails are visually appealing and clearly represent your video content. Step 3. Write effective titles and descriptions. Craft compelling titles with relevant keywords. Write detailed descriptions with keywords, video content summary, and any relevant links. Number 5. Automate video publishing and promotion. Step 1. Schedule video uploads. Use YouTube's scheduling feature to upload videos at specific times. Plan your video releases according to your content calendar. Step 2. Automate social media sharing. Use tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule social media posts promoting your videos. Step 3. Use email marketing. Set up automated email campaigns with tools like MailChimp to notify subscribers of new videos. Number 6. Monitor and optimize. Step 1. Analyze video performance. Use YouTube Analytics to track metrics such as views, watch time, and engagement. Identify trends and patterns in your video performance. Step 2. Optimize based on data. Adjust your content strategy based on performance data. Refine your SEO strategy and video production process to improve results. Step 3. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and feedback using YouTube's comment moderation tools. Consider using chatbots for handling common queries. Number 7. Maintain compliance and security. Step 1. Adhere to YouTube guidelines. Follow YouTube's community guidelines and copyright policies to avoid issues with your channel. Step 2. Protect your channel. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to secure your account. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these game-changing tips for automating and growing your faceless YouTube channel incredibly helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable insights and strategies to boost your YouTube game. Check out our latest videos for even more tips on faceless content creation and YouTube success. Drop a comment below and let us know which automation tools or strategies you are excited to try.